ito naman yung unit na kaya ang 3VR. Yan. So, ito ho ang living room. Living room to, ma'am. Tapos, ito yung first bedroom. First bedroom. First bedroom, yan. The other one is the second room, ma'am. Ito yung second room naman. And this one is yung third bedroom. Yan po. Ito naman yung CR, ma'am. So, pwede nyo rin po i-upgrade yung CR. Yan. Also, ito yung kitchen. Yan, ma'am. If you notice, ma'am, ito kasing area to extended na to. So, pwede pa rin kayo magkaroon ng dirty kitchen sa labas. Halos kasi laki to nung unit ng Flexi Home NC, yung may parking talaga.